This cocktail was sent in by Mr. Des O'Connell and it's called Restoration. It features 60ml of cut and sour, which we're just going to pop in there like that. 20ml of peach liqueur. There we go. 20ml of pureed peach. There we are. 10ml of fresh lemon juice. Like so. Dash of Angostura bitters. And a cheeky dash of egg white. There we are. Just going to give that a quick shake. And strain it into our martini glass. There we go. Then we're just going to garnish that with a little sprinkle of freshly cracked black pepper. And there you have Des O'Connell's Restoration.